Hi students, this is Nisha Pari from Saswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach Environmental Studies of Class 4, Chapter 2, Year to Year, Part 4. In Part 1 and 2, we have seen animals who have ears on their head, animals who don't have ears on their head. It means they have ear but we cannot see, and animals who lay eggs, animals who give birth to babies. Some animals we identify with the help of their skin. In part 3, we have done with our notes, that is drill word, true or false, give one word for the following. In part 4, we are going with our notes. Let us start. Choose the correct answer. So, here are few options given from which you have to choose the correct answer and write. First question. What do animals use ears for? So, what is the question? What do animals use ears for? Why do we all use our ears for? We all use our ears to hear. So, what will be the answer for animals? It is also to hear. And let us see the options here. Option A, to see. Option B, to smell. Option C, to hear. Option D, to taste. So, why animals use their ears for? To hear. So, what will be your correct answer? To hear. Next question. Which of these animals have large floppy ears? So, which animals have large floppy ears? A. Giraffe, B. Mouse, C. Elephant, D. Deer. So, which animal? Your answer will be elephant. Next question. Which of these animals has ears that we cannot see? So, which animal's ears we cannot see from the option given? A. Parrot, B. Dog, C. Rabbit, D. Elephant. So, from these options, which animal's ear we cannot see? So, our answer will be parrot. Next question. What are birds' ears like? So, what are birds' ears like? A. Thorns, B. Holes, C. Leaves, D. Flaps. So, birds' ears are like? Answer, holes. Next question. Which of these animals have strips? So, from these options, which animals have strips? A. Squirrel, B. Lions, C. Zebra, D. All of this. So, which animals have strips? Answer is zebra. Next, we'll start with fill in the blanks. So, here are few sentences given and blanks given. So, you have to write correct answer in the blank. First, birds has tiny holes on both sides of its dash. So, where we find bird's ears? That is on head. So, what will be your answer? Head. Next question. Dash helps to hear. So, which part of our body help us to hear? That is ear. Next question. Dash has black and white strips on skin. So, which animal have black and white strips on skin? That is zebra. Next. Dash is our national bird. So, which is our national bird? Peacock. Next question. Tiny holes on the head of Dash are its ears. So, tiny holes of the lizard on its head are its ears. Next, answer the following questions. So, here are few questions given. We have to write answer to that questions. First question. Name some animals which have ears that we cannot see. So, what is the question? We have to write some animals' names whose ears we cannot see. Answer. Some animals which have ears that we cannot see are as follows: birds, lizards, crocodile and alligators. So these all are the animals whose ears we cannot see. Next. How do birds hear? So what is the question? How do birds hear? How we all hear? With the help of our ears. So birds and other animals also have ears. So let us see how birds hear. Birds have tiny holes on both sides of their head covered with feathers. So they have tiny holes on both sides of their head that are covered with feathers. They help the birds to hear. So those help the birds to hear. Next, where are ears of lizard? So where do you find the ears of lizard? Lizard had tiny holes on both sides of head to hear. So lizards have tiny holes on both sides of their head to hear. Next question. Why is the number of tigers reducing in our country? Not only tigers, we find many other animals are reducing in our country. So let us see the reason. The number of tigers are reducing in our country because of deforestation. So because of cutting down the trees, there is a reduce in animals. Hunting, then most of the animals are killed for eating and other purposes. Illegal wild trade, so illegally we are sending animals from one place to other. Lack of protection, etc. So there is not proper protection for the animals. Next question. Why can we not see the bird's ears? So why can't we see the bird's ears? We cannot see bird's ears because it has tiny holes on both sides of its head and generally they are covered with feathers. So birds have tiny holes on both sides of its head and these holes are covered with feathers. Next question. Why are there different patterns on animals' skin? So why are the different patterns on animals' skin? Let us see. The different patterns on the animal's skin are due to the hair on their skin. So different animals have different skin tone and different color. So these patterns on the skin are due to the hair on their skin. Next, have you seen animals around your house or school which have got small babies? Write their names. So many animals we can see around our house and school which have their small babies. So we have to write their names. Answer: dog, pig, cat, rat, etc. So these all are the animals which have small babies. Next question. Have you seen any animal that looks like dinosaur? So have you seen dinosaurs? So imagine how he will be. And have you seen any other animal like him? Do you know its name? So if you have seen, do you know which animal that is? Answer: yes, I have seen an animal that looks like dinosaur. So we have seen animals like dinosaur. Which animal it is? Its name is lizard. So you see one's lizard and dinosaur picture and compare that both. Lizard looks like dinosaur. Next. From a distance, can you see the hair on cows and buffalo skin? Try to go near one of them. Could you see hair? So from distance, can we see cows and buffaloes hair on their skin? If you can't see, just go near to them and see. Cows and buffaloes' hair cannot be seen from distance. So from far we cannot see cows and buffaloes' hair. After going near to them, hair on their body can be seen. So after going near them, hair on their body we can see. Thank you. That's all for today. These all notes you have to write in your notebook.